So today I'll be showing you how to post YouTube Shorts from your PC, which means you have to use the YouTube web. And okay, so if you go to your browser and type in and go to YouTube, then you click on this icon here. That's where your account is. You click here, then you click on View Channel. It take you to your channel. Then you can click on this create icon here on the top, the right top of your PC here. Click on upload. Before we upload, let me just tell us something today. YouTube Short is one of the ways you can grow your YouTube channel. It can make you have millions of views within a day or so. You just start making YouTube content and all that. So if you want to build your content, one of the things you can do is start posting YouTube Shorts to give you a lot of views. So within a short period of time, you'll be able to meet up the target of monetization. So let's continue from where we stop on how to upload your YouTube Short from your PC. So if you click on this select file, it will take you to wherever to take it to your PC. So you just go to where your video is. So let me use one of my short that I've uploaded before. If you click on it, then you click on open. So YouTube will automatically bring this face out where I am right now. There's one secret I need you to know. If you want to post shorts, it has to be less than a minute video. That's 60 seconds. It has to be 60 seconds on the dot or less than 60 seconds. That's just the secret. There's nothing like if you want to post shorts, you have to use your phone. There's nothing like you want to post shorts, you have to use YouTube Studio app. There's nothing like that. You can post it from your phone, post it from your PC, from your tab, anywhere. But the only secret is you have to make the video a minute on the dot or less than 1 minute. Sure, you understand. I hope you guys understand. So let's continue. Here, okay, assuming you have a video on your PC already that you save with Oluwatobi. I'm just using that as an example. You save with AI or save with anything. Immediately you upload the video. The title of that video from your PC is what YouTube will put as the title of the video. So if you want to change it, you can change it. If you want to add tags, hashtags and all that, this will suggest hashtags for you that you can use for your video. Sure, you understand. So here you can see there are some here. So if you want to do so with if you want to continue with the hashtag is suggested for you, you can just click on this icon here, add all. You see that we have some this thing here now. So then you can go to here and try to tweak your settings for your video. I usually use no. My videos are not for kids. So if you want to add some tags and all that, you can go down and add. But if you don't want to, you can just click here, continue. Then you can add a related video. I always add a related video. It helps a lot because after your viewers are done with your video, they will go to the next video from that particular video. So I usually pick one from my previous video to add related video. So you click on next. Then here, YouTube is checking if your video has any copyright issue or not. So before the video upload, let me just go through what we just said again, or what we just discussed here. For you to post YouTube Shorts, your video has to be a minute long or less than 1 minute. If it's more than 1 minute, it will go into the video section. And secondly, what the most important thing is, you can post YouTube Short from anywhere. It can be from your phone, from your PC, from your tab, or from anywhere that is connected to internet, and you can connect to YouTube from the device, connect to the internet from the device, and you have your content on that particular device. So it can be anything. So let's continue. If you click on next, the thing is it's still uploading. It's at 70% now, 2 minutes left and all that. But the good thing is you can just click next and click. If you want to make it private or public, just public, because yes, we want people to watch it, right? So you click on publish. The good thing is when your video is done uploading, YouTube will notify you that your your video has been uploaded. So that is just it. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Please comment too. See you next time.